Everyone thinks that creatine is just for building bigger muscles, but there's this whole other use that few people talk about: what it does for your brain. I went down the research rabbit hole and the results were truly shocking. We're talking real, proven, significant brain benefits. I'm Dr. Roman, and today we'll talk about what works, what doesn't, and how to use creatine the right way to improve your brain. So let's get into it right now. Your brain is only 2% of your body weight, but it burns 20% of your total energy. Every thought, every memory, every decision runs on a chemical called ATP, your cell's energy currency. But here's the problem. Unlike your muscles that can recharge in between workouts, your brain never stops. It constantly requires more and more energy. When the energy reserve runs low, you experience brain fog, mental fatigue, poor memory, and slow thinking. So the question now becomes, can we increase the brain's energy capacity? This is where creatine comes in. Think of it like this. Your brain generally runs on its main battery, but creatine can serve as a second battery pack. Now let's talk about when this can help you and when it can't. Some of the craziest results were seen from two different experiments. People were kept awake anywhere from 21 to 24 hours. This was supposed to simulate an all-nighter, when you're running on fumes and have no energy left. Half the people were given creatine, half the people weren't. The results will shock you. The creatine group had better memory, better processing speeds, better reaction times, and improved mental clarity compared to their counterparts. Some of these improved effects could be seen within hours of taking creatine. Brain scans showed increased in energy levels despite pulling an all-nighter. Just think about what that could mean for you. If you have trouble sleeping, or a deadline coming up, or an examination coming up, or a side hustle you have to work, or even a newborn baby that won't let you sleep, when you're running on fumes, creatine can act like a backup battery. Now, it doesn't replace your sleep, but it can recharge your brain so that you can be more clear, more focused, and more productive for a longer period of time. You know that 3 p.m. feeling when you've been working all morning and all of a sudden your brain feels tired, your energy feels super low, and all you want to do is take a nap or a break? That's brain fog and mental fatigue, and it happens to be an energy problem. Multiple studies have shown that creatine helps reduce this foggy, exhaustive feeling by helping regulate your energy. This means you can stay mentally sharper for longer periods of time, especially during mentally intensive tasks. Now, you're not going to all of a sudden become Albert Einstein, but you might stop feeling like a zombie come 3 o'clock. So here's the real question. Who will it benefit the most? People who are chronically stressed, sleep deprived, and mentally overloaded. This is pretty much everyone on the planet. People with hard lives, hard circumstances, and hard jobs. They can all expect to see an increase in mental energy, increase in focus, and increase in memory. Adults over 40 years old showed some of the best brain benefits. Due to being in go mode more regularly, trying to balance career, kids, spouse, parents, and relationships, their brain's system storage had slowed down. However, with the use of creatine, it was shown an almost 3 times improvement in memory and reaction time as compared to their younger counterparts. If you're a vegetarian, a vegan, don't like meat, or have trouble getting your daily intake of protein, it's likely that your brain naturally stores less creatine. In fact, studies have shown that vegetarians can have up to a 50% lower baseline of creatine than their counterparts. However, the great news is, if they are to start supplementing with creatine, they can expect to see large increases in memory and mental stamina as compared to their counterparts. Across 16 different trials, with participants from different populations such as the ones we discussed today, we saw a boost in memory and thinking speeds of at least 10 to 15%, with some people experiencing even higher results. There's some early research suggesting that creatine could have an antidepressant effect, help the brain handle stress, as well as possible protection against aging and cellular damage. Now that you know what creatine can do, it's important to know what it can't do and what myths are out there. At the moment, there is no research to show that it can increase your IQ, help you become more creative, or is an effective treatment against Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, or ADHD. It is equally important to know how to take it, when to take it, and what to look out for. When it comes to form, try taking pure creatine monohydrate powder, not gummies or fancy blends. When it comes to dose, try to take 3 to 5 grams once daily. You can mix it with water, coffee, or protein powder. It really doesn't matter. When it comes to timing, you can take it any time of day, ideally with some food. Safety. Creatine has shown to be safe at a dosage of 5 grams or less daily for healthy adults long term. Creatine is one of the most widely studied supplements, with decades of research and hundreds of studies showing safety long term in healthy adults. Some side effects include water retention. You might notice that you gain a few pounds when you first start taking it because creatine tends to pull water into your cells. Another one is mild stomach irritation. However, that tends to go away as long as you take the supplement with food. So here's the bottom line. Creatine can help improve memory, focus, processing speed, reaction time, and mental stamina for pretty much everybody. Especially if you're sleep deprived, have chronic stress, are over 40 years old, and have trouble getting your regular protein intake. If you got value today, please subscribe, like, and comment. Which fact surprised you the most? This is another episode with Dr. Roman. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.